had came up with a new vacancy that is in the Fertilizer and Chemical Travancore Limited fact. So it is a government of India enterprise, and the vacancies of apprentice. This is a paid apprentice for graduate and diploma level candidates. So for okay, I'll tell you everything about the details. The period of training is 1 year, and the stipend paid will be 10,000 per month. The qualification for this graduate apprentice is engineering degree, that is BTech or BE, which should be recognized by UGC or AICTE. And the branches or the disciplines are computer science and engineering, civil, chemical, mechanical, electronics and instrumentation and control, electronics and instrumentation. So there are several branches in which you can apply. The eligibility for this is minimum 60% marks in the qualifying examination for general category and minimum 50% marks for SC and ST candidates. So for this, the candidate should not have completed more than 3 years after passing their degree as on 31st March 2022. And for this, only the board southern region registered Kerala candidates are only eligible to apply. So this vacancy is basically for Kerala students who are freshers and who wants to do apprentice in FACT, the Fertilizers and Chemical Travancore Limited. So in this you can apply. So the age limit for this is not more than 25 years for general candidates, and there should be age relaxation for other candidates too. So you can go through to in this. The discipline wise quota of this apprentice is there are several vacancies like in computer science and engineering there are four number of vacancies. For civil there are three vacancies, chemical 5, mechanical 5, electronics and electrical engineering is 4, and the 3. So total 24 vacancies are there for the graduate apprentice. So now coming to the next part is technician or diploma apprentice. In this, the period of training is the same as the graduate because the apprentice is basically for 1 year only. And in this, the same 1 year apprentice and the stipend is 8,000. For graduate, it was 10,000. For diploma, it is 8,000 per month. And the qualification criteria is the candidate should have 3 year diploma in engineering, and it should be recognized by State Board of Technical Education and it should be regular course. The branches or discipline are the same as the above: chemical, civil, electrical, electronics, mechanical, commercial practice, etc. So the eligibility criteria for diploma candidates are also the same as minimum 60% marks in the qualifying exam for general category and minimum 50% marks for SC and ST. This vacancy is for basically for Kerala candidates only, and the candidates who had not completed their degree or diploma not more than 3 years after passing their diploma. So the age limit in this is not more than 23 years for general category of candidates, and for OBC with date of birth on or before 2/1/1996 are eligible to apply. So as per this, the discipline wise quota of apprentice for the diploma candidate is that there are 57 number of vacancies total. So you can go through your branch wise and see which vacancies, which branch you want to apply and which is suitable to for you. So coming to the further next part, what are the instruction for the candidates to apply for this form is the application form should be downloaded and submitted to Fact Training and Development Center before 4 p.m. on 18th of December 2021. So before 18th December, you have to apply and send the hard copy of the form, the downloaded form from the Fact website. I'll tell you how to do that. So you have to send that form before 4 p.m. on 18th December 2021. The following documents with the set of following documents have to be attested and sent to the address mentioned below along with the application form. So the documents are like 10th pass certificate and mark list for diploma and graduate both, same as 12 pass certificate and mark sheet, graduation or diploma pass certificate and mark sheet. Now next the caste certificate, the Aadhaar card and the dependency certificate, whether the applicable for dependents of fact employees. So these are the documents which you have to attach with your form and send it to the fact address. So you have to take due care while filling the form. Your email id and phone number should be correct, because both the essentials are for future correspondence. Everything which will be informed to you will be through your mail id or your phone number. So the list, the selection criteria will be according to your graduation marks. So I will tell about that also. The list of the eligible candidates will be published on the website, that is www.fact.co.in, and the candidates will be informed through their email whether they are shortlisted or not. The students who are awarded CGPA or grade system, they have to produce a conversion certificate of CGPA into percentage from their university or board. So this is also a very important point. And the candidates should have to register themselves on the board portal of apprentice training, that is www.mhrdnats. This is National Apprentice Training Scheme portal under Government of India. You have to register yourselves under student category on that portal. So both Southern Region Kerala registered candidates are only eligible to apply. I am highlighting this point because only registered Kerala candidates in the both Southern region are only eligible to apply. No other candidates from all part of India are not eligible to apply. So in this, coming to the next part, the merit of selection. The merit of selection will be based on like your qualification exam, like of degree and diploma, and same as your 10th marks and 12th marks. So for graduate candidate, your 50% will be the degree, that is BTech and or BE, and 50% will be taken from the your 12th marks. On that basis your merit list will be prepared. But for diploma candidates, the 50% will be taken from their qualifying exam, that is diploma, and 50% will be calculated by the 10th standard marks. So in that, your merit list will be prepared. The documents which you have to show at the time of joinings are all original certificates mentioned in point 2. Like I had mentioned all the 5 points. The two set of attested copy of all the documents. You have to take two set of attested copy of all documents, six number of passport size and color photographs. SC, ST or OBC candidates should have to produce their original or attested copy of caste or non-creamy layer certificate. You have to also show NATS, National Apprentice Training Scheme Registration ID, from the Government of India portal. You have to also give police clearance certificate. You have to show that. You have to show the dependency certificate, whether you are the means you are the dependents of fact employees or not. This is applicable for only those candidates who are the dependents of fact employer. You have to also show medical fitness certificates obtained in the prescribed format with valid lab reports. See, this is very important. You have to show the lab reports also, and with this you have to also show a valid and negative COVID-19 test report, RT-PCR, taken 1 to 3 days before the date of joining, and COVID-19 vaccination certificate. That is, you have to also show the negative report of, of not more than 72 hours before, and also you have to show the COVID-19 vaccination certificate. The stipend, I had already informed you, the stipend amount for the graduate candidates is 10,000, and for diploma candidates it is 8,000. So coming to the further part, the last date of this form is 18th December 2021. Before 4 p.m. you have to send your applications to the address, this address. I will show you which address. You have to send your, just a minute, on this address, that is the Deputy Manager Training, Fact Training and Development Center, Udyog Mandal, Alore, Arunakulam District, this Kerala. You have to send your documents with the form downloaded from the website to this address. After that only you will be shortlisted and a merit list will be generated, which will be informed to you by your mail id or your phone number. So I hope you like this video, and the person who are freshers can apply in this form. I'll bring more information and will give you more details about the new vacancies. So please do like and subscribe this channel. I hope everything will be good at your end. So have a good day and God bless you.